Hello friends and my dear teachers. So today I am going to demonstrate three library functions of Google Sheets, and those are a split function, count a function, and len. So what is count a, what is split, and what is length? We'll be discussing this. So what is the meaning or what is the function of a split function? Where when we apply a split function and on any sentence, it splits the entire sentence into words and equally distributes into the columns. And for that, a split function requires a delimiter, means from which character do we want to split the sentence. So obviously, when we split the sentence, normally we see there is the delimiter, which is the space. Sometimes we feel there is a dash between or the hyphen between the words, and we want to split those words using the delimiter hyphen, or sometimes we want to split the words where uh, full stops are there, and we want to split those words using delimiter full stop. Over here, the column D, which is evident from the text, that there is a space between the words. Aditya Kumar, there is one space. Shivangi Chahar, there is only one space. So we want to split these words into columns. So how to do it? So let's start. So here you see the column D. Here Aditya Kumar having one space between, Shivangi Chaha having one space between, Varsha there is no space or number of words, only single word is there. And if you go below or scroll down, then we see there is a sentence having three words. There is another word or sentence, Shivam Pratap Singh Chauhan, having four words. And we want to split these sentences into column. So how to apply a split word here, a split function here? Simply write equal in this cell, equal, and type split. Split, then what do you want to split? I want to split D2. And what is the delimiter? So over here, the delimiter is space, and rest of the parameters are optional, so you can leave. And as soon as you press enter key, your word or the sentence of D2 column is split into two columns. So Aditya Kumar. And if you want to apply this command on the entire column, you simply copy this function in rest of the columns, or I'm sorry, rest of the rows, or drag this towards down. Then see the sentences which are in column D2, I mean column D, are equally distributed into the columns, like Adit Kumar into two columns, Shivangi Shah into two columns, Varsha only one column, Devika Singh only two columns, and similarly, if we see Rudra Pratap Bhati, it is distributed or it is split in three columns, and Shubham Pratap Singh Chauhan, it splits into four columns. So this way we can use a split function to split the sentences. Now the next function is count A means you want to count the words. So how to count the words? We'll be using count A function here. Count A, and we want to count the words right from column E to column H, and close the parenthesis and press enter. You'll see there are two words, and if you want to apply this command on rest of the rows, simply drag it till the last row and see here. So it will count number of words present in 4 columns. See this. And this is the use of count A. And suppose how many characters does a sentence have? I'm writing here number of characters. Now I am going to apply len command. So equal len of D2, len of D2, and press enter. We'll get 12 here. So just have a look on this. How many characters in this sentence? D2. So there are 12 characters, 6 and 5, 11, and 1 is space. So it gives number of characters as 12. And if you want to copy this function to the rest of the rows, simply drag it down and see the result. So this way len function works on the sentences. So hope you like it, and if you like it, kindly comment, and if you have any suggestion, kindly share with me. So we'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye.